Hi guys, hope you're doing well, and I am come up with the new video. And in this video we will going to update or install all of your driver just uh, by one click. So if you want to update your drivers and you want to install any driver of your computer, then this video is for you. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the Chrome browser, then type Snappy Driver Installer Origin, and then you have to go inside the first link, and then you have to click onto the now download. And it is pretty much easy, and I have found last week, so I thought that I should create video on that because it is fantastic, because it solved my all the problems in my office, and it is one of the fantastic driver set in near of me. So just you have to click onto the Snappy Driver Tool Installer, and once you click it, the pretty much lightweight application will be downloaded in the shape of the zip file. And once it is downloaded, then we have to navigate it, and it will be inside the download folder. Let me create us one folder over the desktop to ease out the process. And then we have to go inside the downloads. Here we have this file. Now cut it and put onto the desktop. It is pretty much lightweight, and the beauty of the software is that you no need to download entire package of the software, means all the softwares. You can just download the respective software that are usable or that is mandatory for your computer, and it will give you a couple of options. Once we start this application, I will let you know. And then you have to extract all, and now it is being extracted in front of you. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, so I request you to subscribe my channel and give the thumbs up and forward this video to your family and friends. And I need your love, guys, because my channel is new and your support is required. So subscribe my channel as much as possible. And here we have two types of files, one for the 32 bits and another for the 64 bit. So let's double click onto the 64 bit. Run anyway. Yes. So you can see that. Now accept. Allow. Now it is showing three options. One for option first is for the bundle of package. Let's say if you are the like IT technician and you need to address couple of computers on daily basis, then this option is for you. One time it will be downloaded more than 10 GB of file, and that will cover all the driver packages. So you can put onto the USB and you can perform the installation of all the drivers offline. And the second option is basically for the network drivers and Wi-Fi only. The third one option is basically for you if you are a normal guy, you want to update the driver, or if the driver, sound driver, VGA driver, graphic card driver, if any driver is missing, it will search for you automatically. So this package for us, so it will take little time because you can see that downloading is being started, so depend on to the internet speed, and it will not take longer if you have a very good internet. So only it will download those driver which is important for your computer. No useless driver at your computer will be downloaded. Only useful driver that is mandatory for your computer, that needs to be updated, it will download only those drivers. So you can see that almost all the drivers are updated in my computer. If something is not updated, it will list down in front of you. So only there is one driver which is related to the VM SVGA. It is not updated, so I will select all and install. So it will download only the respective driver, and the respective driver you can see that 337 Mbps, so it will take a little time, and once it is downloaded it will install instantly. So I'm going to stop this video. Once it is done, I will be back. So finally driver has been downloaded and successfully installed in front of you, and now you are good to go. So if the system asks for the restart after the driver installation, so you have to just make sure you have to restart your PC, and then you will good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. If you have any query, you can mention in the comment, and you can also send me the email. I have already mentioned my email address in the description as well. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye bye.